Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use external samples, downloaded loops in FL Studio, syncing them into BPM, time stretching them. This is for loops, samples, packs, whatever you call it, kits, whatever you like to call it. So without wasting much time guys, let's dive straight into it. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you like this content, and you can also share to your friends and families, to anybody interested. So let's not waste time, let's dive straight into it. And on the right side here you have your browser. This is where your samples should sit. After downloading your samples, buying them, getting them from your friends, having them on your system and whatever means, the next thing you have to do is use them. And how do you do that? Well, generally it works this way. You have to take the sample, drag it into your playlist, click on it, go to the time stretching sector in FL Studio. You do that by clicking left clicking on it 2 times. Am I right? Yes, left clicking on it 2 times, and then here you have modes. Sometimes these samples automatically sync into the BPM that you have set prior to dragging the sample into the arrangement, dragging the sample into the playlist. Then you would have it on auto and it will just sync in. That's most of the time it's really sweet. You see, other times you have the samples and the BPM is actually written on them. In this case, this sample is 128 beats per minute. So having to go into the time stretching section of FL, you can right click on the first button just beside your mode and go to auto. Just right click on the first button, just by mode, the first button, the first knob, you right click on it, then you go to auto detect, then you have options pop up for you. In this case, this sample is 127.99999 estimated BPM, which is very close to 128. So FL got it right. This is the first method of doing this. After setting up this, you can now set up the mode and you're good to go. The sample is synced. And this is like the after auto mode, I think this is the best and the easiest way to get it. But sometimes these samples don't have the BPM embedded, and or they are not really accurate with it. So in that case, what you would have to do is you have to sync the loops manually. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this loop is in this place and is not synced well into, it's a 4 count loop and it's not synced well into the 4 bars. So I will just take the first knob, twist and tune it for it to fully sync into the 4 bars. you have to know how many bars the loop is for you to really actually know how many how much you have to stretch it using the knob. So for you to really confirm and be sure of what you're doing, and for you to be sure that you are right with what you are doing, you can copy it. If it clicks into the cell, then you know you're good to go. Very nice. What you have here is the metronome tool. You can make use of the metronome. Go to the metronome, let it click according to the BPM. Listen to the beat. Is the beat on is the timing right? If it's right, it's right. That's what the metronome is for. So that's a really handy little tool. um, yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. As always, cheers guys.